Hey, it's Market Moves coming at you, and we're going to have a video for everyone who has the market mover indicator. If you don't check this out, it's a good way to understand scanning the market and looking for stocks to trade. This video is going to pertain to how to find stocks to sell or short in this market, and this is a very good way to do it. Stay tuned. So yet again, this is valuable content for those who hold the market mover indicator, who are subscribed. I'm going to be putting out content as much as I can to make this indicator best for you to use. So if you don't know, or if you haven't heard, there's tons of videos I put out for this indicator. I'm going to link the playlist to the top right hand corner. Click that link and check out all the videos to help you better trade the indicator. And also bottom right hand corner, hit that subscribe button. But let's get into this nonetheless. This is the same as the way we had stocks to buy. So finding stocks to buy, we're going to do the same thing for the stocks to sell. It's just a little bit different, and there's going to be some tweaks when we're looking. So we're going to hit that stock screener on tradingview.com. This is tradingview.com. This is the chart you use, and we're in the stock screener, and I have the market mover indicator here and my chart up here. So you're going to head to that filters. The first thing you do, hit the filters. We only want to see stocks in the NYSE, the NASDAQ, and we want to make sure that the market cap is relatively high, because this indicator works very, very well with market caps in the $5 billion range. So hit $5 billion and you can go as high as you want. There's no limit to how big the company can be. The bigger the company, the more it's going to respect the charts and the technicals and the indicator. And once you do the filters, the next thing you're going to do is go to change percentage, and you're going to go to up. So we want to see which ones pop the most, and this is going to help you find those ones to short. So stocks that pop too much are going to be good candidates to short, and if they show up on the indicator as a good short, then we can line up the trades and set them off. So first we're going to hit the first one, which is ACB. ACB seems like a lot of the pot stocks have popped recently, and this might be a good opportunity to short them long term. We'll see. But ACB had this huge green candle down here, and it looks like that was a clear bottom. And we popped from 460 down to 575 on Friday, 12/8. And we're going to head to the 4-hour chart, because obviously this is not a sell signal yet. Still not a sell signal on the 4-hour. We're going to head to the 1 hour. Still not a sell signal. So head back to the stock screener. Let's look again. We're going to find you one or two stocks that we can short right now. And we're going to look at, let's see if we recognize anything here. We got CGC. That might be a good one. So let's pop in CGC. And still, if I pop the stock screener down, CGC is still not in that sell zone. The sell zone should be up here in the red. Unfortunately, we're not finding too many pot stocks, probably because they're down so much. It's hard to find stocks to short when the whole market is down. So I'm promising you we're going to find one stock that looks good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drop that filter just a little bit more. The pickings are kind of slim, so we're going to just hit $1 billion. And this is where we get a little bit risky, because $1 billion market caps can turn into $5 billion overnight, and you don't want to be shorting those ones that run very, very aggressively. So let's go to UXIN. This was up 24%, and we dropped the stock screener down. This is a massive swing here. We swung from $2 to $4, and it looks like it's still climbing. So for using this indicator, this also might be a good screener to find stocks to buy. Right now, this just looks very bullish. We don't see any sell signals. If I head to the 1 hour, I'm getting a small sell signal. So this is one potential stock to short, and I found it. Let me check the timer in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And this, if I go to the larger time frames, I want to see more red. So I want to see consistency in the red sell signal on the indicator. It's not there. But the funny thing was, this was a buy. This was a huge buy on the indicator, And if you bought this at any point, you'd be up maybe 50% or so. So this would have been a good buy a couple weeks ago, and now it's a possible sell. So check that out. We're going to head to MNTA. That looks like a good possible candidate as well. And if we're on the 3-hour chart, I still don't see a sell signal, unfortunately. So in this market, it's going to be very hard to do this. So I'm going to pause the video and look for one, and I'll get back to you. All right, what I had to do is drop that market cap down one more time. Unfortunately, we're just not getting great stocks to short in this market. But this is called Domo, and they have a huge sell signal on the 1 hour. And what I do next is if I find something that's a sell on the 1 hour, I back it up. So the 2 hour, we're still a huge sell. The 3 hour, we are still a sell. And then the 4 hour, we are a sell. So this looks like we have a lot of sell signals. If I go to the daily, I'm hoping it is, but actually we don't have enough data to actually get a good reading. So on all hourly time frames, we are a sell. So this stock would be very interesting to short. And I am throwing this out there as free info, a free maybe trade you guys can take. And I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but this does look like a great setup. And I'm going to throw this in my charts right now. So this is the way to find stocks to short. And I have videos on how to find stocks to buy with the indicator. Remember, the indicator is 7 days for free. If you have the indicator, hopefully this video will help you make better decisions with it. This is all I got. Market Moves signing off. Peace. For more information on the Market Mover Indicator, free consultation talks, and courses, head to the website marketmovesmatt.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the latest and popular videos I have uploaded.